Hey guys, so we had a couple things happen. I went and sprayed all my glyphosate. We got a burn down done, and we were doing some trials with fertilizer products on our food plots. And what happened was one of those products was super thick and it was chunky, so I was plugging nozzles. Now normally I try to run everything without screens and just push the water to it, and so it's really diluted so I don't have to worry about it. But with this trial product, it was just really chunky and I kept plugging nozzles. So what I ended up doing, I added a filter here. I just got this at Family Farm and Home. I think it was 25, 30 bucks. And all I had to do was buy one fitting to add that in my line. But now I can still run my agitation and recirculate. And then anytime I'm running through the boom, it's going through this filter first, and that's gonna catch most of it. And I never had an issue with plug nozzles after that. So in a situation like that, to where if you watch the previous video on how I built that worked great for glyphosate, but then as soon as I started playing with stuff that was thicker and chunky, adding a filter like that was super easy. It's pretty cheap at 30 bucks, and just something good to do, because that way you can just clean the big filter rather than having to take off each individual nozzle and clean that little screen and unplug your nozzles that way. So that way you can just add one filter, one flush and clean out, and just a simple addition that if you wanted to make your life simpler, it'd work out really well for you.